Welcome back to class. Okay, so we have more examples that has to do with the letters as numbers in calculation. So we want to make the letters here the subject of the formula, thereby getting the values for each letter. Alright, now question 1. We have 3 over 5 h plus 9 equals 45. So what do we do here? We move the 9 to the other side, plus 9 to the other side, and this becomes 3 over 5h equals 45 minus 9. Okay, so this becomes 3 over 5h equals what? 36. From here, we are going to multiply both sides by what? By 5. Why are we doing this? So we can get the h and the coefficient of h together. Okay, and this becomes 3 over 5h times 5 equals what? 36 times 5. So 5 cross out 5, and we're left with what? 3h equals 36 times 5 is what? 180. 180. Now from here, we still have the coefficient of h attached to it, so we have to divide both sides by 3 to get the actual value for h. So we're going to divide both sides by 3, and this becomes what? 3h divided by 3 equals 180 divided by 3. 3 crosses out 3, 3 here 1, 3 in 18, 6 in 0 is 0. Therefore, h equals 60. And that's the final answer. Question 2. 24 plus 5.8 equals e over 4 plus 23. Now, 24 plus 5.8 equals 29.8 equals what? E over 4 plus 23. Then we have to bring plus 23 to the other side, and this becomes 29.8 minus 23 equals e over 4. 29.8 minus 23 is what? This is 6.8. Yes, equals e over 4. Now from here, we're going to what? Cross multiply. Cross multiply. And this becomes e times 1 is what? E equals 4 times 6.8. Now what is 4 times 6.8? 4 times 8 is 32. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 3, 27. So this is 27.2. And that's the final answer for E as our value. The value for E is what? 27.2. Okay. Question 3. We have 4c plus 3c equals 20.3. Where 4c plus 3c equals what? 7c equals 20.3. From here, we're going to divide both sides by 7. Divide both sides by 7. Then 7c divides 7 equals 20.3 divided 7. 7 cross out what? 7. Then c equals what? 2.9. Question 4. Now question 4 says 4.7 minus 6w equals 2w minus 4.9. Right? So move minus 4.9 to the left hand side and take minus 6w to the other side. So let's do it. 4.7 plus 4.9 equals 2w plus 6w. Right? Now, what is 4.7 plus 4.9? Now, this is 9.6 equals 8w. Then we divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8 to get the value for w. So we have 9.6 divided by 8 equals 8w divided by 8. Right? 8 cross out 8. Therefore, w equals 9.6 divided by 8 is 1.2. And that's the final answer for question 4. Now, number 5, the last question. Okay, number 5, we have 8a plus 2.9 equals 5a plus 6.2. So 5a comes to the left hand side and plus 2.9 moves to the other side. Remember what I said, when the sign is crossing the equal to sign, it changes. So this becomes 8a minus 5a equals 6.2 minus 2.9. From here we have 3a equals 3.3, right? Then we divide both sides by 3. So this becomes 3a divided by 3 equals 3.3 divided by 3. 3 cross out 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1 point, then 3 here 1 as well. Therefore, our a equals 1.1. Come to the end of today's lesson. I hope this helps you to calculate questions that has to do with finding the value for letters in algebraic expression. Alright, please remember to like and comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!